Are you okay? Are you okay? Ou en forme? Ou en forme? Yes, I was feeling dizzy. Yes, I was feeling dizzy. Oui, moi te senti tête virée. Oui, moi te senti tête virée. You look upset. Is everything okay? You look upset. Is everything okay? Ou semble fâché. Tout bagay en forme. Ou semble fâché. Tout bagay en forme. Yes, please leave me alone. Yes, please leave me alone. Oui, tant pis, quittez-moi pour compte moi. Oui, tant pis, quittez-moi pour compte moi. I'm sorry. Did I say something wrong? I'm sorry. Did I say something wrong? Mwen désolé. Eske m'te di yon bagay ki mal? Mwen désolé. Eske m'te di yon bagay ki mal? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Pou ki sa ou ap kriye? Pou ki sa ou ap kriye? Nothing. I am okay. Goodbye. Nothing. I'm okay. Goodbye. Rien. Moi en forme. Au revoir. Rien. Moi en forme. Au revoir. Who is that girl? Who is that girl? Qui est fi sa ye? Qui est fi sa ye? I have told you so many times, I can help you in this case. I have told you so many times, I can't help you in this case. Mwen te di ou sa plusieurs fois. Mwen pa ka ede ou nan ka sa. Mwen te di ou sa plusieurs fois. Mwen pa ka ede ou nan ka sa. Please get out from here. Please get out from here. Tant pis, sorti ici là. Tant pis, sorti ici là. Please help me. I will pay you tomorrow as soon as possible. Please help me. I will pay you tomorrow as soon as possible. S'il vous plaît, aidez-moi. Moi pral payer ou demain plus vite que possible. S'il vous plaît, aidez-moi. Moi pral payer ou demain plus vite que possible. How can I believe you? I won't give you the medicines. How can I believe you? I won't give you the medicines. Comment moi ka kwe ou? Mwen pa ba ou médicament yo. Comment mwen ka kwe ou? Mwen pa ba ou médicament yo. Please try to understand my situation. Please try to understand my situation. Tant pis, essayez comprendre situation nan. Tant pis, essayez comprendre situation nan. My mom needs this medicine. My mom needs this medicine. Maman besoin médicament ça. Maman besoin médicament ça. Then you have to pay $150. then you have to pay $150. Alors, ou dwe payer $150. Alors, ou dwe payer $150. I will take it. I will take it. Ma pran li. Ma pran li. Give me these medicines. I will pay you by my card. Give me these medicines. I will pay you by my card. Bon médicament sa yo. Ma paye ou ak 4 moyen. Bon médicament sa yo. Ma paye ou ak 4 moyen. Here are your medicines, my friend. Here are your medicines, my friend. Mes médicaments ou yo zanmim. Mes médicaments ou yo zanmim. Who are you? Why are you helping me? Who are you? Why are you helping me? Qui est ou ye? Pour qui ça ou edem? Qui est ou ye? Pour qui ça ou edem? I like helping others. It's my hobby. I like helping others. It's my hobby. Moi reme aider l'autre moun. C'est plaisir moi. Moi reme aider l'autre moun. C'est plaisir moi. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Merci en pile. Ça signifie en pile pour moi. Merci en pile. Ça signifie en pile pour moi. I will never forget that. May God bless you. I will never forget that. May God bless you. Moi pas jamais oublier ça. Que bon Dieu bénisse ou. Moi pas jamais oublier ça. Que bon Dieu bénisse ou. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Prends soin tête ou. Prends soin tête ou. You are such a good boy. You are such a good boy. Ou c'est yon bon petit garçon comme ça. Ou c'est yon bon petit garçon comme ça. Thanks. Goodbye. Thanks. Goodbye. Merci. Au revoir. Merci. Au revoir.